guys, got this in the mail today after a long time of anticipation from Black Forest Industries. I'm gonna shout out to Nick. He picked it up. He went and ordered it for me up at Low Show. He's in Pennsylvania. Nick DeLeo, shout out to you. Pick this baby up for me. Been waiting on these to get made. It's my 24 karat gold shift knob for DSG. They only made 50 of these. They made 50 for a manual and 50 for a different manual. So I ended up with the DSG. Everything's 24 gold carat plated. And this is going in the Fahrenheit. The 24 karat Fahrenheit, number 369. And they threw bag candy in with it. All right, guys, that's it. I'll get back to you when we start putting it in.